These are my go-to makeup that I use daily. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about my favorite makeup products that I've been loving, and I really want to share these with you guys. If you guys already have them, and while I go through the video, leave a comment below and let me know how you love these products, or if you do. My favorite bronzer at the moment. And of course, I talked about this before. It's none other than the Juvia's Place. And this is in the bronze. I love this bronzer. Really love the shades that it have. I normally use both. I always reach for this bronzer every time I'm doing a look. Even if I'm just running up the street and I'm putting on a foundation, I'm going to have this bronzer on just to warm up the skin and put some shadow back into the face or some structure, right? The next product that I've been really loving, and I saw this girl, she's on YouTube, her name is Mina. She ordered these lashes, which I'm currently wearing, from AliExpress. And let me tell you, I really stalk her until she tell me the number and where she got them from. So I order mine, I order a ton, because you know AliExpress take a while to ship out your deliveries. So I went ahead and got as much as I needed, and before I run out, I'll order again. The next thing that I've been loving, and I've talked about this product before, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills with collaboration with the Jackie Aina. Love it. I use this palette to create this look. Lately, I've been going in and needing that soft blowout eyeshadow look. Not doing cut crease anymore or any loud color. I think those days are really gone, right? All right, moving on, because you guys know I'll keep talking. Now, the foundation that I've been using, House of Labs. I've been using House of Labs, and the shade that I have is the 480. For some reason now, and I got this also from Mina, she loves her makeup or foundation a little darker, and then she'll use other things to tie it in, and it will look really blended and like one. So I started to try it, and boy, I love it. So I'm using the 480 along with one of my favorite foundation from Makeup by Mario. Love this foundation. I think these two foundations together are neck and neck. I mean, with the finish and everything. But what I did is going with a darker shade of this one. This is the 26N. So I normally wear 24N if you're my skin tone, but I want my foundation to look a little darker, so that way I can keep my concealer the way that I like it and not too bright. You understand what I mean? So I've been mixing these two together, and that is what my face is looking like. I get this nice blended dark look. Then what I've been doing is I've been going in with this Tarte concealer, one of my favorite concealer from Tarte in Deep, and I've been also using this Milani concealer both under my eyes. I use the Tarte first because it gives full coverage, and then the Milani just give me a little that I need, just a little lift. So I've been using both of these under my eyes, of course, just to contour where the light is mostly hidden. And I love it. When I said I love it, it just gave me this bronze look. Now, another thing that I've been loving, and this is a product that I use when I'm running up the street, I grabbed my stick foundation. Yeah. Stick foundation that I've been using is from Fashion Fair, and this one is in Suede Silk. That is a shade, and I love this. You guys remember Fashion Fair from back in the days? It was the jam. I also mix it with this Huda Beauty. I love this. And one is a little lighter and one is darker. So it gives me that contrast look that I'm looking for. Now the Huda Beauty that I have is in Nutmeg. And that's the shade that I wear in Huda's Beauty. So I mix those, and I really love the way my foundation turns out. Now these two stick foundation is mostly on that oily side. Yes, so you're gonna look a little dewy or more oily than normal, but the coverage is beyond. I really love these two together. And you guys already know I'm the type of person who love to mix products. I like to mix different foundation from different companies together to get the look that I'm trying to achieve, right? Yeah. Now, the next thing that I've been doing with those two stick foundation, I've been going in with my Dior Forever Matte Concealer. I love this concealer. It's a little bit on the red side, full coverage, and it covers all my imperfection under my eyes. But wait, there is more. If you guys are not using this eye base from Bobbi Brown, where are you at? I mean, where are you hiding at? If you don't have this in your collection, something is definitely wrong. This is the best eye base. I have not used a lot, but I've used few. This one, when I tell you, if you have wrinkles or any sort of dry patchiness under your eyes, and normally those stripe from when you use products that is too harsh for under here or too strong for under the eye area, then you get that little burntness there. This Bobbi Brown eye cream is the best thing since sliced bread. Yes, you haven't heard me say that in a while, right? Best thing since sliced bread. Well, now, girlfriend ain't sliced bread no more. We're doing egg bread. If you're from Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about, this egg bread. Let me tell you, I am addicted to that bread. So, and this is the best thing since then, right? I don't know when egg bread started, but whenever then. But let me tell you, this eye cream, it lets the product, whatever you put in there, foundation, concealer, slides on. And I normally brings it right up onto the eye area where I'm going to put my eyeshadow. And I'm telling you, it just glides on and it keeps there moisturized right throughout the day. I don't have to worry about anything shifting or lifting or cracking or creasing. No, no, no. Not with this. Now, this is a little pricey. They have the bigger size, but this is where your sister at, eh? So this is the size that I have. And again, this is from Bobbi Brown. It's the vitamin enriched high based. Please pick it up and then leave a comment and let me know if our sister was wrong, right? The next thing that I have, that I got from Bobbi Brown that I've been loving is this lip. It's like a lip stain, or I would say a lip glossish with some shade to it. Exactly what I'm wearing at the moment. It's like a light peachy pink. I stay away from highlights whenever the summertime come in. I always try to get a blush that also have an highlighter in it. It's from Milani, and this is the shade in 08 in Carolina. And I love this. It's exactly what I have on. So you'll get, do you see that? So you get a blush and you get that shimmerness. Look at that. Beautiful. You guys already know I love anything peachy, red, berry blush. It's right up my alley. Again, it's warm. You have to get something to keep the oil under control. So I did change up my setting spray. However, the one that I got is not really the one I wanted, but everybody been talking about this setting spray. So I said, you know what? Let me try it. NYX, this is the matte, Fini Matte. Really keep everything at bay. I did my foundation this morning that you're looking at around 7 a.m. Eastern time, and this is my face. Yeah. So this setting spray, I was underestimating the value of it. I thought, you know, what can NYX really do when it comes to setting spray? Because I'm more of a Morphe girl, but let me tell you, make sure you add this to your collection. Money well spent. Now the next thing that I have is my primer. Now, how do you do a face without priming it? Don't know. But the primer that I've been using, this is my Holy Grail primer, I have not switched yet, is the Milk Hydro Grip. I talk about this primer all the time. Every chance I get, this is a primer that I've been talking about. This primer really keep your foundation on. Nothing moving, nothing shift, nothing lost. I think that's from the Bible, but whichever way. But I am just saying, it keeps it at bay. It keeps my face matte. It keeps my foundation intact because, again, I have super oily skin. And as soon as the temperatures start getting warmer, of course, your foundation start looking way different than what it would look like in the colder month. Let me tell you, if you're trying to really set under your eyes properly and you want to get up in there, get these from Amazon. They come like, I think, 12 in a pack, maybe $20, if that much. And there's so much of them in there, you'll keep using them. Really comfortable, and it gets up under the eye. Let me tell you, up under there, and it packs really well. It distributes the powder better to me than the brush. That is my answer. That is what I think, and I'm going to stick to it. I won't change it. We won't change it. This really applies it, because remember, I do a video here, which I'll leave here, that tell you how not to get under your eyes crease when you put on your concealer. And the method that I taught you guys there was to put on the powder lightly. Don't press it immediately. Put it on lightly and then press it in. Yeah. So this will get the job done really well. Again, you can find these at Amazon. If you have all of these products in your kit, wherever you're going to do your makeup, you are set. You don't need anything else apart from the setting powder that I did not talk about here, which I will do another video. I have a video coming up that I'm going to be talking about different setting powders, what they're used for, what I think they should be used for, or what I use them for. So make sure you look out for that video. But this is all that I have, guys. I love these products. These are my holy grail. Yes, I think these will be going into the summer month. They'll maybe consider my summer favorites, because I don't see any new products coming out lately, or I don't think any new foundation for the summer month will come out. So this will be what I'll be sticking to until then. But if it does change, I'll keep you guys posted. But anyway, guys, that's all that I have. My favorite makeup products that I've been loving and using. And hopefully you guys can pick up some of these and add them to your arsenal. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye, guys.